Well, we had some sunshine early in the day. The clouds have moved in. That's an indication that the storm's getting closer. The wind's picking up. Another indication. It's cold, 25. It's a January day. Wind chill down around 12. That northeast wind is picked up between 20 and 30 miles per hour. It's going to get a little bit stronger for the rest of the afternoon. Tonight, throughout the day tomorrow, we'll have some gusts approaching 40 miles per hour out of the northeast. So there's going to be some big waves along the lakefront for the next 24 to 36 hours as well. Wind chills in the teens for the most part, well inland, including Fond du Lac and Beaver Dam, in the single digits. So the snowfall has been kind of pathetic for most of us this season, but we're going to take a big chunk out of that. So far this month, we've had 8 inches of snow, which is still below normal. For the season, we're almost a foot below normal, and we're going to probably take about more than half of that off of that total. I have a winter storm warning now for Milwaukee, Racine, and Kenosha counties for tonight up until around 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, 9 o'clock this evening for Sheboygan, Washington, and Ozaukee counties with the winter weather advisory, and then the rest of you have the advisory from 6 o'clock this evening until 6 o'clock tomorrow. Here comes the snow, and this is going to be long duration. We haven't had one of these yet this year. Most of them come through very quickly, drop a couple of inches of snow, or it's mixed with rain and sleet to keep the snow totals down. This one's going to be here for a while. It's going to be your classic storm, and it's going to be all snow and heavy at times as well, especially near the lakefront. This is how it kind of breaks down. The reason you're not in the advisory, Fond du Lac and Dodge counties, you're still going to see snow, 1 to 2, so lesser amounts. Sheboygan, Port Washington, West Bend, down towards Oconomowoc, 2 to 4. North side of Milwaukee, also toward Mequon, southern portions of Waukesha County, down towards Lake Geneva, 4 to 6. So I think 4 inches of snow is going to be very common across most of our viewing area, lesser to the north. And then from the south side of Milwaukee, especially along the lakefront, down towards Racine, Kenosha, and maybe even parts of Walworth County, 6 inches plus. I would not be shocked to see maybe an 8 or 9 inch total near the state line before this is all said and done. Then, of course, you factor in the northeast wind. There will be a little lake effect, and it's difficult to predict where that's going to set up, but that will also enhance some of those snow totals. So the snow this evening looks to be quiet until around 10 o'clock. That's when you're going to start to see the snowfall. It's going to be snowing heavily overnight tonight. The morning commute is going to be a mess, and this will gradually taper off sometime around 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. The roads on the evening commute are still going to be snow covered and messy as well, but the heavy snowfall will be coming to an end. High tomorrow of around 32 degrees, and remember the winds will be gusting out of the northeast at around 25 to 40 miles per hour. So poor visibility, blowing and drifting snow, and decent snow amounts as well, anywhere from about 4 to 7 inches of snow across most of southeastern Wisconsin. Wednesday 26, Thursday 23, and then we're tracking yet another probably big storm for the weekend. All of a sudden, it's getting busy.
Wow. Who knew?